easy story. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Clever boy and naughty boy. This boy name is Tommy, and this boy name is Bobby. He is a clever boy, and he is a naughty boy. Tommy is 8 years old, and Bobby is 8 years old too. They both go to the same school and study in the same class. Tommy reads lessons well, but Bobby reads lessons very badly. Tommy exercises in the morning every day, but Bobby is very lazy boy. He wants to sleep all day. Tommy wakes up 6 o'clock and goes to the bathroom before exercise and wash his hands and face and brushes his teeth. But Bobby's mother wakes him up in the morning to go to school. Bobby does not want to exercise, wash his hand, face, and brush his teeth in the morning because he is very lazy, but he wants to eat delicious breakfast. Bobby didn't study, didn't listen to his mother, and was naughty all day. But Tommy, after finishing lessons, helps his mother with houseworks and, in his free time, joins his friends to play games in the yard. One day, Bobby's mother falls ill and she lies in bed and has a fever. Bobby is very worried for his mother. He sits quietly next to his mother, and Tommy comes to visit them. Tommy said, "How are you feeling today?" Bobby's mother answered,
"Not bad. I have a little fever." "Thank you, Tommy."
Tommy said, "Do not mention it." Tommy looks at Bobby and say, "Don't worry, Bobby. Your mother will soon feel better." But Bobby is silent and say nothing. Bobby's mother says,
"My son, say something to Tommy."
Bobby looks at Tommy and laughs. "Thank you, Tommy," Bobby said. Tommy's face smiles and he says, "You are really good boy, Bobby. I hope you will not be naughty again, and your mother will not worry about you. Of course, Tommy. From now on, I will try to be as clever as you and listen to my mother and not hurt her. Very good, Bobby. I am glad for you. After that, we will have a better time together, and I will help you with your lessons. Excellent, Tommy. It is nice to hear that. I am very happy to have a friend like you. Soon Bobby's mother recovered and Bobby felt better. Tommy and Bobby became good friends, and now they are very happy together. If you like this story, then subscribe to my channel and support. Let's write new stories. See you in the next stories.